Okay, today we're going to check out the leather care kit, and this is shines, polishes, and protects the whole kit. I got my wife's purse here to stay in good graces with your wife. You clean her leather purses, and we're going to do that today. So we'll open up our kit and show you what it comes with. A little foam applicator. It's got this is a shoe polish. I'll open it up just so you can see what it looks like. So open it up here, just twist that. There's the shoe polish there. It's for brown, so you'd use that on a brown shoe. Here's the other. It comes with two applicators. We put them in bags so it doesn't get messy. That one's been used for the black. And this is what the black looks like here. There's the black. That's what we'll be using today. Also comes with a shoe brush. So basically you go like this when you're doing your shoes, shining them up. So we'll get going here. Just do a little section here with our black. Basically just take some of that like that. And you just apply kind of circles, just like that. It smells really good. Smells really good, just like that. And then if it were a shoe, you just kind of brush it back and forth. But that definitely looks way better than it did, and it'll help protect it, keep it nice and not let it dry out. So I definitely recommend this stuff. We use it all the time on all our leather goods.